So good morning to all of you MSc first year student. So today again welcome to lecture series on the quantum mechanics, and we want to see our point or our chapter is the angular momentum, and in this chapter we want to continue that point which is the rising and lowering operator. And in this rising and lowering operator we want to see the example which is the type second, so that the commutation relation which is L minus with respect to x cap, y cap and z cap. So now first example is here, so that is the that commutation relation which is the L minus and x cap. Okay, and you know that idea, so that is the L cap operator, L cap minus operator, which is nothing but the Lx cap minus ILy cap, and this commutation relation with respect to this x cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so what happens here? So this Lx cap which is commute with this x cap, so that is the Lx comma x cap, this minus sign is there, so minus I is taken outside, and this Ly cap, this Ly cap which is commute with this x cap, so in bracket Ly cap comma x cap. Okay, and in last lecture we have to know that how it is solved this commutator bracket, and you know that this Lx cap comma x cap, the commutator of this angular momentum with respect to x, and this x cap operator, that commutation result is 0. Okay, so that's why this bracket is 0, and we want to take this minus I into Ly cap comma x cap. Okay, and if you solve further this bracket solving, commutator bracket solving, so that minus I is taken outside, and this Ly cap is nothing but the z px, so that is z cap of px minus x cap of pz comma x cap, so that the commutation relation between this. And if you solve this, so that is nothing but the minus I into the commutation relation which is given as, this is the z cap of px, z cap of px comma x cap, and next commutation that in between minus sign is there, and this is the x cap of pz comma x cap. Okay, and if you solving this commutator bracket, so here minus I is taken outside in this bracket, so that z cap is also taken outside, and this is the px comma x cap, and you know that x cap pz comma x cap, and if you taken any for constant taken outside, so that result of this commutator bracket is also going to 0, so therefore minus 0. And here, so minus I z cap into px cap comma x cap. Okay, and this will become I minus I into z cap into minus IH cross of x cap. Okay, so this minus minus get plus, and if you solve this, if you solve this bracket, so that is nothing but what happens here. So this is the result of px cap comma x cap is minus IH cross, minus minus plus, again I into I square, and this is minus sign, so final result will become here minus h cross of z cap, minus h cross of z cap. Again we want to see this result, so minus I cap is taken outside. Okay, and if you solve this, minus I is also there, minus I is there, So this is taken outside here, and if you solve this bracket, so that result, final result, is in front of you. So this result is minus I into z cap into minus I h cross. So this minus into minus plus, this I into I, so that is the I square, and that value is minus 1. So that's why the final result will become here, so minus h cross of z cap, and we have to solving that bracket L minus cap comma x cap, and that solving of this commutator bracket, so this final result is in front of you, so that is the minus h cross of z cap. Okay, now we want to solve next commutator bracket, so that is the L minus comma y cap. L minus comma y cap. Okay, and if we want to solve this, so that L minus cap is nothing but the Lx cap minus I Ly cap comma y cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so that is given here, so that is the Lx comma y cap, and minus I is there, and this Ly cap comma y cap is also there, and Ly cap y cap, this commutator bracket is 0, so that's why remaining bracket, so that is Lx comma y cap, and if you distribute or solving this commutator bracket, so that Lx operator, which is nothing but the y pz, y cap of pz minus z cap of py comma y cap. Okay, and this is nothing but if you solving this commutator bracket, so that is the y cap of pz, okay, comma y cap minus z cap of py minus or comma y cap. Okay, again you know that, so that pz cap comma y cap is also 0, y cap is also 0, so that's why this commutator bracket, that result is 0, and remaining here, so minus z cap in bracket, so that is your py comma y cap, and this py cap minus y cap is nothing but the minus I h cross, so this is minus z cap into minus I h cross, minus minus get plus, so that final result is plus I h cross of z cap. So this is the result of the commutator bracket we have to solving L minus and y cap. Now we want to solve the result L minus comma z cap. So this is very easy example. If you get idea how it solve the commutator bracket, then it is the very interesting point to solving the commutator bracket. Now next, so that is the example number 3, we have to getting solve this commutator bracket. So this is the L minus comma z cap, L minus comma z cap, and if we solve this, so that getting idea, so that Lx minus Ily cap, Lx minus Ily cap comma z cap. Okay, and if you solve this, so how it is come out, so this is the Lx comma z cap minus I into Ly cap comma z cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so this Lx is nothing but the zpx minus xpz, sorry, z Lx is ypz minus zpy comma z cap. Again minus sign is there, so this minus I cap and if you solving this, so that Ly is nothing but the Zpx minus xpz comma this z cap. Okay, again split this commutator bracket, so we have to solving this. So this y cap pz, y cap of pz comma z cap minus, and this next commutator bracket is z cap of py comma z cap. Again this split, so minus I is there, so here z cap of px comma z cap and minus x cap of pz comma z cap. Okay, so further distribution of this commutator bracket or deeply solving, so we have to know that, so that z cap of py cap comma z cap, the result of this commutator bracket is also 0, and z cap px cap comma z cap, this commutator bracket is also 0, so that remaining two bracket is there. So this is the y cap. Okay, taken this y cap outside of this, so here pz cap comma z cap. Okay, and you know that how it is solving, so that once again y cap is taken outside, pz comma z cap is there, again plus pz cap taken is outside, so here what remaining, so that is the y cap comma z cap, and again this minus sign, minus I is there, and the commutation relation between these, so that x cap is taken outside, this minus I is there, and again minus sign is there. If take this x cap is outside, inside p z cap comma z cap, and again minus p z cap is taken outside, so that is the x cap comma z cap. Okay, and you know that the result of this, so this bracket is again 0, and this bracket is result again 0, and this is nothing but the y cap into minus I h cross, and this result is minus I into minus x cap, and result of this is the minus I h cross. Okay, and if you solve this bracket, so that final result will become here. So we have to see that here y cap into minus I h cross, so that is nothing but the minus I h cross of I cap minus I h cross of y cap, and again see here, so this minus into minus, so that is a plus, so minus I, okay, minus I into plus I h cross of x cap. Okay, I into I square minus minus this get plus, and this result will become here, so minus I h cross of I cap plus h cross of x cap, and if you take that your h cross is taken outside, the result of this commutator bracket, so that is the L minus comma z cap, L minus comma z cap is nothing but this h cross is taken outside, or in bracket x cap minus I y cap. So this is the final result of your commutator bracket, that L minus which is operating on the z cap. So this is the concept about the rising and lowering operator of the angular momentum. Now we want to see next that commutation relation with respect to, that is L plus and p x cap. So how it is solving this? Okay, so if you know that, okay, so that the type number third, we want to the example, so that is the type number third, and example number first. Okay, and we want to see the commutation relation between the, that is the L plus cap comma Px of cap. Okay, and how it is solved this commutator bracket? So that is the L plus cap is nothing but the Lx plus ILy comma Px. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so this is Lx comma Px cap, or plus I sign is taken outside, Ly comma Px cap. Okay, and you know that this Lx comma Px cap, this result is again 0, and you want to solve this bracket, so that is the plus I is taken outside, and this Ly operator is nothing but the Zpx minus xpz and comma Px cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket relation, so we have to get idea what is the result of this. So that is the type 3rd example. So this I into z cap of Px minus xpz comma Px. So again solve here. So this I is taken outside, and this commutation relation, so that is the Zpx comma Px. So that is first commutator bracket, this z cap of Px cap comma this Px cap. Okay, again in between minus sign is there, and here x cap of Pz comma Px cap. Okay, and again you see here this commutation relation with z cap with respect to this, and this Px with respect to Px, so that final result is this 0. Again we want to solve this commutator bracket, so that is the this x cap. Okay, here I is taken outside. Okay, this minus x cap is taken outside, sorry, Pz cap is taken outside, so in bracket x cap comma Px cap. And if you see here, so this I is taken outside, so that in bracket here, so minus Pz cap, or commutation relation with respect to this x cap comma Px cap. Okay, if you solve this commutation relation, so this I is there, in bracket minus Pz cap is there, and this is the minus IH cross. So this is minus into minus plus, so that here the I into IH cross of Pz cap. Okay, and again this I is minus I square, and this is nothing but the minus H cross of the Pz cap, minus H cross of the Pz cap. And if you see that the result of the sign, what is the mistake is there, so that Pz minus Pz cap x cap of comma this, so I want to check this sign. Okay, so I is there, this minus sign is there, so Pz cap taken outside, so this x cap comma Px, so this minus into plus, and this is nothing but the plus IH cross, sorry for this. So this minus minus again plus. Okay, so this minus sign is there, so here nothing but the I square minus 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 plus sign is there, and here the plus sign is there, so that the final result of your, so that is the L plus cap of Px, L plus cap of Px, this commutator bracket result is in front of you which is the I plus h cross of pz cap. Now we want to solve our next example, so that is the L plus cap comma py cap, and what is the relation between they, and this example we want to solve in the next lecture. So thanking of you.